it needs, maybe the black part could have been used a lot better. Ah, that should be it. Oh, come on.
We winded it up backwards.
Because I needed to go that way, and I went and made it that way. Oh, I've got a good idea. Make sure it kind of locks. Isn't that a good idea to make it go farther?
Do you think it'll make it go further?
Maybe, because it has a wider range.
A wider range?
Yeah. Yeah, this part is bigger. Now let's see how it does.
Wow.
Oh! It went here.
Okay, so we'll have to mark it.